In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Power Query in Microsoft Excel. Power Query is a powerful way to clean and reshape data before you use it in charts, reports, or analysis. To start, we need some data in your worksheet. First, click any cell inside your data table range, which in this example is A1 to B4. Take a moment to look at the spreadsheet and make sure you are selecting a cell that is part of the table area. This matters because Power Query needs to know what range of cells you are working with. Next, move up to the ribbon and click the Data tab. The Data tab is where Excel places tools for importing, transforming, and working with datasets. When you select it, you will see a set of options related to getting data from different sources and preparing data. After you are on the Data tab, click the From Table/Range button. This is the button that launches the Power Query interface based on the table or range you selected. Go ahead and choose it now, and you should see a new window open where you can transform your data. If Excel prompts you to convert the data into an official table, click OK. This step is important because Power Query works best when the data has a clear table structure. When you confirm, Excel will treat your range as a table, which helps Power Query identify headers and rows correctly. Now that the Power Query editor is open, you can begin transforming your data. At this stage, you will see a preview of your dataset along with controls for shaping it. Perform transformations like filtering or sorting inside the Power Query editor. For example, you can sort a column to put values in order, or apply a filter to show only the rows you need. As you make these changes, pay attention to the preview area so you can confirm the result is exactly what you expect. Once you have finished your filtering, sorting, or other edits, it is time to exit the editor. To do that, click the Home tab inside the Power Query editor window. The Home tab contains the key actions for applying your changes and loading the results back into Excel. Then, click the Close and Load button on the far left. This button is how you send your transformed data back into the workbook. Make sure you select Close and Load rather than other options, because Close and Load is the step that actually places your final cleaned dataset where you can use it. After you click Close and Load, watch as your transformed data loads cleanly onto a brand new Worksheet tab. Excel will typically create a new sheet for the output, so your original data remains untouched. This is one of the biggest benefits of Power Query. You can transform your data without permanently altering what you started with. Take a moment to look at the new Worksheet tab and compare it with what you set up in Power Query. You should see that your sorting and filtering choices are reflected in the loaded results. If anything looks different from what you expected, you can always go back and adjust your steps in Power Query. But the core workflow remains the same, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to start using Power Query in Microsoft Excel. Select your range, launch Power Query with From Table/Range. Confirm the table if prompted, transform in the Power Query editor, and then close and load to bring your clean data into a new worksheet.